today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Welcome back everybody to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a teleporter pad in Roblox Studio. This recommendation was brought to me by one of my subscribers, Toxic Boy Kai. So Toxic Boy Kai, shout out to you and thank you for this idea. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, if you haven't already got Roblox Studio downloaded, you can just press start you can go to roblox.com/create, press start creating, and it should download here. Just I think it's gonna ask you some stuff, but just make sure to allow it. So once it downloads, it should have this kind of logo. Depending when you're watching this video, you could be watching this video in the future, and the logo could be changed. But just hover over it; it should say Roblox Studio. Anyway, once you click on it, it should open something a bit like this. Oh, actually, not that. It's gonna open the Nope. It's gonna open this right here. It's gonna open this. So just full screen on that, and you can see there are so many options here: village, castle, suburban, racing, barrow island, western city. You get the point. But what we're going to be going for is that we want to go for base players. And once it loads in, it should look at something a bit like this. It looks quite cool. Yeah, so we're going to get started straight away. Not really much to say. Let's just get started into the video. Alright, so what we're going to do now is that we're now going to make our teleporting parts. So what I want to do is I want to make some sort of doors. I'm just going to take a door model from the toolbox. You can make your own by just inserting a part and just scaling it up and stuff like that. It's quite simple. But I'm just going to take this one here. It looks quite nice. Alrighty, so once you have your door, you actually want to make a part. So just go to the top here, make a part, and you literally want to put it right next to the door. So as soon as people touch the door, they're going to get teleported to the next place. So I'm going to scale this, make it big so no one can jump over it and stuff. There we go. Just like that. There we go. And once you have that, it should look something a bit like this, a big part covering the door. So now I'm just going to get this part, I'm going to scroll down to the properties tab, data tab, and I'm going to turn anchored on, can collide off, and I'm also going to do transparency, I want to set it to 1. Alright, so now it should look something a bit like this. So when you walk into it, so when you walk into it, it should teleport you to the place. So I'm just going to name this part Teleport 1. You can name it, you can name it whatever you like, but just remember you have to change. I'm gonna be keeping the script to teleport 1. So yeah, well, I'll explain later, but for now we've got this. It looks good, amazing, lovely. And I'm just gonna name this door mod. So now what we're gonna do, we wanna get the place that we actually want to teleport to. So let's say, example, you wanted to teleport to, just here, right here. Boom. And place the part, place it really nice and big. Maybe not that big. Make sure anchor's on, and I think can collide on. But if it doesn't work, we're just gonna turn that on. Off. Alright, so we're gonna rename it, and then we're gonna name it teleport to. I spelled it wrong. Teleport. Perfect. So guys, now we've got everything we want. Oh, and by the way, yeah, you can just make this transparent, just like that. So perfect. We've now got both of our teleporting places, teleport 2 and teleport 1, and the door model right there. So you're gonna click on the teleport 1, and you're just you're gonna press the plus. So if you hover over it, it should come up with this plus button. Click on that, and you're gonna click on script. Alright, so once you've got in this script, you just wanna write script dot parent dot touched is colon connect to function of hit, and you should press enter and it should come up with this end because we've now got a function here. So if we didn't have this function, if we just deleted this end and we didn't have the function and we press enter, you see it wouldn't come up with that end like we did if we had a function. So that is why there is an end, and the reason there is an end is because inside this, I'm not sure if this makes sense, but inside, when you press, there we go. Inside this is where you're gonna have the code to, like, you know, do the action, and then once you've written in the code, you can distinguish it later. Anyway, I'll have another video soon on how to do functions. I'll make a series soon actually, so make sure to stay on the lookout for that. Anyway, so inside this we're gonna write local. Actually, we're gonna change it. I'm just gonna make it easy. I'm gonna change it to H. And here we go. Local hum. Oh, what do I do next? Ah yes, H dot parent, comma find first child, and you're gonna write bracket, quotation marks, humanoid. So what this is pretty much saying is that hum stands for humanoid. What the hell? Someone just threw something in my room, bruh. Local hum, so hum stands for humanoid, H dot parent, and then what it is, touched, this is like a trigger, so like it triggers when it's touched, as it says here, find first child, which is a humanoid. Having these brackets is an argument, so you're saying, so imagine you're in a conversation with someone and one person says, find first child, and then someone argues back, and they say, which is a humanoid. And there we go, that's your arguments right there. Okay, next line, I'm gonna write if hum, and then this curly thing, I have no clue what it is. This curly thing, is that it? Is curly thing equals nil, then H dot parent dot humanoid root part dot C frame dot new, and then bracket workspace, and then here you want to change it to the teleporter name, so I'm gonna do bracket, and my teleporter name is teleport 2. There you go. Close that off right there, and then I'm gonna write outside of it dot position, and then finish all the brackets, and boom. That's all your script right there. It's quite easy. So now what you can do is you can just go ahead and run it. So let's press play and let's go walk up to this part over here. There we go. There seems to be an error. Let's have a look at it. New is not a valid member of C-frame. Alright, so I see the issue now. After the humanoid dot C-frame, oh, I see where I've gone wrong. Okay, so, that's a silly mistake. Alright, so after you write the C-frame, you want to write equals, and now you want to write C-frame dot new. There you go. You can run that again. Play that again, actually. Alright, so we're in the game now, and we're gonna go hit it. There we go. Ah, look at that, and it's worked. There you go, a teleporter working in Roblox Studio. I mean, I really love it. It looks quite cool actually, and we can even do it again if we like. We go back here. So this can be used for anything really. This can be used for horror games, simulators, anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's your teleporter pad. If you want another video like this, maybe like if you press a button it'll teleport you somewhere. If you want another video like that, just let me know in the comments. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know if you liked it by liking the video, of course. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.